Mariing itinanggi ni Maurice Racal na ang kanyang on-screen partner na si Anthony Jennings ang naging dahilan kung bakit tinapos na nila ang long-time partner nitong si Rico Blanco ang kanilang relasyon. Ngayong araw ng Biyernes, umiiyak habang binabahagi ni Maurice na ilang linggo na pala silang hiwalay ni Rico. Ayon sa kanya, ayaw niya daw sana itong paisa publiko dahil kung kukumpirmahin niya ito, ibig sabihin daw nito, totoo na ang kanilang paghihiwalay. Magbasa hanggang ngayon daw kasi hindi makapaniwala si Maurice Racal na wala na sila ni Rico Blanco matapos ang kanilang 5 taong relasyon.
Thank you, Juan. And now let's have Miss Janice from Bloomberg.
Hi, Marias. Looking good. Oh, parang nainggit ako sa hair mo. Ang ganda. Pero ano ba yan? Totoong buhok? Or...
Ano lang to, layers lang.
Oh.
Tapos extension.
Oh, kala ko naman may pinagdadaanan kaya ganyan.
Wala po.
Wala naman. Oo, kasi alam mo naman sa showbiz, di ba pag nagbago ka ng hairstyle, iisipin nila may pinagdadaanan ka.
Hindi, may bagong movie lang napanood.
Kaya iba yun. Oo. Pero kasi Maris, yung love team nyo ni Anthony talagang nag-lead, di ba, sa Can't Buy Me Love. So, I just wanna know, paano kasi support ng iyong real-life boyfriend na si Rico Blanco doon sa success mo ngayon, sa success ng love team nyo ni Anthony? Hindi ba siya nagsiselos? Kasi kung ako yung boyfriend, parang sa sobrang click nyo, tatablan ako eh.
Then, sila sa Rico. Supportive siya.
Mm-hmm. So, okay lang ba sa kanya? Kasi balita magkakaroon kayo ng next project ni Anthony.
Supportive siya sa next project.
Ano ng development doon? Kailan na mag-push through ba siya?
Magsa-start na po kami soon. Ngayon lang, ready lang yung table readings, yung workshops, ganun.
So, parang ito yung highlight talaga ng career mo, Maris, dahil ang daming nagkagusto dun sa role mo. So, parang talaga ngayon yung year mo, di ba? So, at this point of your life ba, anong mga priorities mo, Maris? Career or personal life? Kasi medyo matagal na rin kayo ni Rico. What if, at the height of your career, bigla kang alokin? Uso pa naman yung mga marriage proposal.
Focus lang po.
So, mas priority mo pa rin yung career. Pero do you see yourself ending with Rico?
Yeah.
Oh, but, sorry. Nagiging emotional ka. Sorry. Would you like to say something?
Can we request permission later, please? Thank you. Yes, I'm so scared. I'm really scared. Kasi nalala about it at the time of smiling and nodding. I'm so scared because if I announce it, then it's real. Yeah, Rico and I are over.
So sorry, Maris. Okay lang bang mag-share ka, Maris? Kasi parang emotional ka.
It's fresh. It's been a few weeks. Only a 7 weeks that I've experienced in my life.
So, I know, may pinagdadaanan ka nga. Pero paano ka nagko-cope up ngayon?
Nanonood lang ako ng Bluey. Ayun lang. Well, wala nang tanong, but nangyari. Well, short answer for it. Um, Hindi ko rin siya malabas ng isang statement lang kasi hindi ganun kadali. Sobrang complicated yan situation. Rico and I, our universe was so beautiful. It was so full of love, laughter, music, everything. It's spontaneity, everything. Sa 5 years namin together, we were always on the same page. Always on the same page. I don't know what happened to us. Maybe I turned to the next page and saw a new perspective in life. I had visions of who I want to become, how I want to evolve. I'm so curious about the world. The truth is, I am going through changes. And alam naman natin yan, change is either good or bad. What I hate about change is that it's inevitable. Hindi mo siya matatakasan. And wala ka nang ibang gawin kundi you have to face it and confront it. It's been in the back of my head. So yeah, I told Rico about it. I told him my problems, my issues sa buhay. And he took it like a man. He took it like a man. It was a very difficult talk. Because I love him so much. I love him and he loves me. But I have so many questions about my life. How will I go on sa buhay with him when I have so many questions about me, my sense of self? It was so difficult. But it was a very polite separation. Up to the very end of our relationship, it was still full of love, full of understanding. And Rico is one of a kind. If only I could skip through my 20s, you know. But they can't. I have to face it. I have to sit with my feelings and acknowledge my changes. And
Oh, sorry to hear that, Maris, no? Pero once and for all na lang din, I'm sure kasi after your being open about your situation, maraming magtatanong dahil nga kung nag-click yung ano niya ni Anthony, baka madamay siya at isipin ng mga fans na may kinalaman si Anthony sa breakup.
Anthony is out of the picture. It's just me, Rico, making an issue.
So after this, okay ka pa bang magsalita? Or this is the first and last time na you'll talk about it?
This is the only time I'm gonna ever talk about it.
Okay.
Since while we're at it, I would like to ask, to humbly ask about it. To look at us, Rico and I, with understanding and love. Because we are both grieving. Hindi naman ako control yung Hindi naman makakontrol yung mga opinion ng mga tao. But please don't direct your hate towards Rico. He's too precious for that. I just want to throw so much as I'm ready to take them.
Thank you for being honest, Maris. So,